Hey, it's back with Anne. Today we'll be creating this super adorable bee in Adobe Illustrator and we'll be making it 3D and chunky. I really enjoyed exploring this one and hope you guys enjoy making it too. So let's get creating! We will start with a 1920 to 1080 canvas in Adobe Illustrator. Feel free to screenshot this part to get all the color codes that I'm going to be using in this video. And first, we will create the bee body using the rectangle tool and then we will round its corner. I'm moving the anchor points to adjust it. Then we'll be creating the wing. This time we will just choose the top corners and round those corners. With the pen tool, I'll draw a line to create details on the wing. Group the two items, Option Shift drag, and flip it horizontally. I'll make the color of the wing darker because this one is at the back. For the tail, we'll be using the triangle shape, and let's move it behind the body. Next up, we'll be creating its face. Create a brown circle and duplicate that for the other one. Copy again, just have the outline and delete the top anchor point to make a smile. And now we have a happy bee. Create a rectangle for its stripe, and we will leave this for now as we will use it later. Now that the bee is done, let's create the flower. Use the circle to create the first petal. Duplicate and use a smaller circle to create the center of the flower. When happy with it, we will rotate it for a bit. I'll make the stem of the flower using the pen tool. To create a leaf, start with a circle, then while pressing Shift plus C, click the anchor point to make it pointy. Then create a line to add details to the leaf. And let's attach them together. When that's done, select all the flower elements and group them all together by pressing Command plus G. For the bee, select all of them but the stripes and the face. So just the body and group them again using Command plus G, or you can right click and there should be an option to group. Let's move the face to the side for now. Now, let's open our windows and click on 3D and Materials. Just a reminder that this feature is only available from version 2022 and above. If you don't have that, maybe because it's an older version. Select the body of the bee and click on Inflate here. Tick on the box Inflate both sides on the settings. This will add volume to both sides of the geometry. Click on the flower and click Inflate. And for this one, you don't need to tick on Inflate both sides. Now let's click on the bee. Go to the Material tab and adjust the base properties. 0.65 for roughness and 0.13 for metallic. Repeat the same with the flower. Let's go to the Graphic tab under the Material. Click on the face that we have made before and choose this plus icon, Add Single Graphic. This will add the face to the library. Click the body of the bee and click on the face that we have here in the library, and this will project the face graphic to the body. Let's adjust them accordingly to fit the bee. And now we will repeat the same step with the stripes. Select and add single graphic. Project the stripe to the body of the bee. You can also scale them so it fits better. When you click on the graphic, it will project another stripe to the bee. Adjust and ensure it's the same setting like the first one we did. And now we can put away the things we don't need. Remember, you can always click on the layers here to adjust the different graphics that have been projected to an object. Okay, let's move on to the lighting. Ooh, looks like we have a new update on the interface. You can really get a better idea of the angle of the lighting from this panel. So I want the light to be shining onto the face and the shadow to be more on this side. Feel free to just follow my settings if you want to get the exact same result that you see here on the screen. Let's quickly work on the flower. You don't need to project any graphics. It's more simple. Perhaps just adjusting the depth and the lighting. You can experiment with the settings here, but this is the one that I like best for now. Select and click Render. And yeah, you have your chunky bee and flower, and you can still rotate and play around with them. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's really fun making this, and let me know what else you want me to make next time. Based on the poll that I put up on Instagram, many of you voted for 2D illustration tutorial next. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to get future updates. See you next time, and thanks for watching!